Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Tim Martinez. So for today's recipe, we will cook pinakbet, my favorite Ilocano dish. And we will grill the fish in this one. Let's go. We are in our backyard. So let's start. And now we can put the fish into the grill. I cannot afford a big grill yet, so I buy the instant barbecue grill for 150 pounds. Cheap and easy to use. So for pinakbet, we will need garlic, ginger, pork, tomatoes, onion, okra, squash, butternut. We have beans, aubergine, baby aubergine. We have courgette, and we have bagoong. This is the one who has an intense flavor. This is fermented fish, bagoong. So let's do this. Pan, we will put the pork, salt it. Now we can put the onion. This is not the original recipe, but this is how I made it. Okay, guys, don't confuse. And if you don't have bagoong, I use anchovies and then I blend it and then strain it and get the juice. This is my bagoong. So I'm from Ilocos Norte, from Bangi, and I know that this is not the how do they make it, but this is my way how to make it. Every single cook has their own way to do it. Now we can add the tomatoes, ginger, garlic. All together. Now we can add the hard vegetables. We can start with the okra. You can put the baby aubergine. Guys, here in Scotland we don't have bitter melon or ampalaya, but this is all I got. We have okra, courgette, but this is, as I said, this is how I make it. And I put courgette on it. It's fine, should be fine. They usually cook this one in a ceramic pot in a traditional way, and they do like this, pak. That's why they call it pakbet. Joke time. Now we can add the squash and the fish sauce or bagoong. And we will cover it. Let it cook. Oh, the aroma of the bagoong is so nice. I miss home. We need to taste it. Because bagoong is already salted, so beware. If it's not too salty, you can add more salt. And a little bit of pepper. I love pepper. Then we can add beans. And barbecue beans. Wow, every time I open it, the aroma is so nice. And now we can put the grilled fish. Oh, is it amazing, guys? And let it cook. There you go, Pinakbet by Chef Warren. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, Tim Martinez, for more video vlog, toy review, etc. Thank you very much. God bless.